In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art in 5 minutes. The scene looks like this. I have a UV sphere and 5-point lights. This was one of the most interesting looking UV spheres I have worked on. The edges were twisted and extruded randomly, and it worked great as an abstract art mesh. This is how the mesh looks like on the inside. The point lights were placed in front of the camera, and the camera is positioned very close to the mesh. All 5 lights have unique colors, and they have very low power values. I'll hide the objects for now, and show you how the random edge extrusion UV sphere was created. Let's create a UV sphere. Tab, to go to edit mode, and type 2 to edge select. Alt-select one edge loop, and press Shift-G, to select similar edges by directions. Press Alt-E, to modify the edges. The one we want is called spin. Type A to select all. Type 1 to vertex select, and checker deselect. S to scale, and we'll get the shape we wanted. This is a very interesting looking sphere, and without the shortcuts we have used, it would have taken us a long time to model. After that, I have set up the camera right in front of the mesh, and placed the point lights around the camera. The lights have different colors. I'm using cycles, and I have turned off use nodes under compositing. Let me test render the scene. I need to zoom out a bit. I'll duplicate one of the point lights to add one more light. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.